So far, we learned about quite a few actions in Power Automate, including insert, delete, update, and even search and sort, depending on the data sources that we are working with. We also learned about OData, but I'm pretty sure in the previous chapter, there was something that was bugging you all the time. Why are we sending one email for every product that we find? Can't we just compile everything in one email and send a list of products in an email? That's where we need variables. Of course, this is not the only thing that variables do for you, but that's one immediate question that probably you had in the previous chapter, and we want to answer it now. Variables are the temporary storage. So inside Microsoft Power Automate Flow, we can actually have a storage of the data that we can keep the content, numbers, strings, you name it, whatever you want inside it, and work with it. We can change it and keep the changes to the end of the flow execution. So with all that, we want to learn how to create variables, how to update variables, and learn about the data types that the variable can have. Ready for that? Let's go.